Badger girl, stripes on her pajamas, face in the mirror, making her wild wolf snarl. Tiny paws thumping down the hallway, blanket as a cape, she's leading her stuffed fox charge. Badger girl wants to be a wolf, howling in the living room, pillows flying, tower falls, tiny storm in the afternoon. Badger girl, little whirlwind heart, laughing as the crayons roll. Yeah, she turns this quiet den into her late day forest stroll. Crumbs trail to her lair of toys. Mama sighs, daddy hides a chuckle. Alright, pack leader, that's enough of this noise. Badger girl wants to be a wolf, howling in the living room, pillows flying, tower falls, tiny storm in the afternoon. Badger girl, little whirlwind heart, laughing as the crayons roll. Yeah, she turns this quiet den into her late day forest stroll. She hums a growl that turns into a yawn. Parents kiss, forehead, nose, and fingers. Sweet wild thing, you're our favorite little storm. Badger girl wants to be a wolf, howling in the living room, pillows flying, tower falls, tiny storm in the afternoon. Badger girl, little whirlwind heart, laughing as the crayons roll. Yeah, she turns this quiet den into her late day forest stroll. Badger girl curled up with her fox, wolves run free in the stories she's read. In her dreams